So in this video we're going to go through 5 more examples of factorising quadratic expressions where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So with our first example we've got 2x squared take away 11x plus 12. I'm going to multiply the 2 by the 12 first, as we have been doing in the example videos we've done so far. So 2 times 12 is 24. We're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make that 24, but add together to make the minus 11. Now, because the product here is positive and the sum is negative, that must mean that they're both negative. Okay, so both numbers we're looking for are negative. So, always good to check minus 2, minus 12, but that's not going to work here. 8 and 3, so minus 8, minus 3, that works out, doesn't it? So, 2x squared, and we're going to split the minus 11x up into minus 8x, take away 3x, and remember that order doesn't matter. The next line will be different, but the end result will be the same. So 2x squared take away 8x. Factorise that part first. We can factor out the 2x and we'll have x take away 4. And we know that the other bracket's got to be x take away 4 here. So I'm going to factor the minus 3 out and I'm going to get x take away 4 inside the bracket. Now because those two brackets are the same, we know we're on the right path here. One of the brackets is x take away 4, the other bracket is 2x take away 3. So 2x take away 3 times x take away 4. Okay. So number 2, 3x squared take away 29x plus 40. So first of all multiply the 3 by the 40. So that's going to be 120. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make 120, but add together to make the coefficient of x, which is minus 29. So again, the two numbers we're looking for have to both be negative. So what have we got? Well, 3 and 40 don't work together, unfortunately, so we can't have that. 20 and 6 don't quite work. 24 and 5 though, so 24 5s are 120, or 5 lots of 24. So minus 5 and minus 24, that works out. So 3x squared, take away 5x, take away 24x, plus the 40. So split it up. So factorising our first half, we're just going to have x, and then 3x take away 5. Now we know that the other bracket's got to be 3x take away 5. So this would have to be minus 8 on the outside. Minus 8 times 3x makes the minus 24x. Minus 8 times the minus 5 makes the 40. So one of the brackets is 3x take away 5, and the other bracket has to be the x take away 8. Okay, and there's our answer to number 2. Right, number 3. 4x squared take away 15x plus 9. First of all, multiply the 4 by the 9. So that's 36. Two numbers that multiply together to make 36, but add together to make minus 15. Right, both negative again. 9 and 4 won't work, unfortunately. 12 and 3 though, so minus 12 and minus 3. Minus 12 take away 3 is minus 15, so that's good. That's what we want. So 4x squared, take away 12x, take away 3x, plus 9. So factoring out 4x from those two terms, we're going to get x take away 3. And then factoring out minus 3, we get the other x take away 3. So x take away 3 is one of the brackets, and the other one is 4x take away 3. Okay. So that's number 3. Right, number 4. 4x squared take away 25x plus 25. So we're going to multiply the 4 and the 25 together first. 4 times 25 is 100. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make 100, but add together to make minus 25. Okay, so 4 and 25 don't quite work. 20 and 5 do though, don't they? So minus 20 times minus 5, minus 20, take away 5. Okay, so 4x squared, take away 20x, take away 5x, plus 25. So factor out the 4x, and we'll have x take away 5 inside the bracket. And factor out the minus 5, we'll have x take away 5 inside the bracket. So we've got x take away 5 as one of the brackets, and 4x take away 5 as the other. Okay, so that's number 4. On to the last one. The last one, we have 10x squared take away 101x plus 10. So first of all, multiply the 10 by the 10. So 100. Two numbers that multiply together make 100, but add together to make minus 101. Well, that's going to have to be minus 100 and minus 1. So we have 10x squared take away 100x take away x plus 10. So factor the first half, we'll have 10x and then x take away 10. Factor minus 1 out and we'll get x take away 10 there. Those two brackets are the same, so we know we're on the right path. X take away 10 is one bracket, 10x take away 1 is the other bracket. Okay, and we're done.